Monkeys are among the most fascinating and adaptable animals on Earth. From tiny tamarins to long-limbed spider monkeys, this diverse group of primates lives across tropical forests, savannas, and even mountain slopes. They use hands and tails to climb, cooperate in social groups for protection and learning, and communicate with calls, facial expressions, and body language. Some species are brilliant tool users and problem solvers, while others are loud performers of the canopy with calls that travel for miles. In this video, we'll meet 7 captivating kinds of monkeys, learn what makes each unique, how they find food, care for their young, and survive in a changing world. Get ready to explore intelligence, social lives, and the colorful diversity of monkeys. Baboons are powerful, ground-dwelling primates known for living in large, complex social groups called troops. These troops can include dozens of adults and many young, organized by clear social ranks that determine who eats first, who gets to mate, and who leads movements. Baboons are omnivores. They eat grasses and fruits as well as insects, small mammals, and roots. Their strong jaws and canine teeth are useful for defense and social displays. Baboons are highly adaptable, thriving in open woodlands and savannas. Some species even forage near human settlements. Young baboons learn social skills early by playing and watching adults, and older females often form tight family lines that help keep the troop stable and safe. Capuchin monkeys are celebrated for their curiosity and remarkable problem-solving skills. Found in Central and South American forests, these medium-sized monkeys are quick, agile, and exceptionally good learners. Capuchins use their hands skillfully to probe crevices, open hard fruits, and sometimes employ simple tools like sticks or stones to access food. They live in stable social groups where younger monkeys learn by observing more experienced individuals, passing traditions from one generation to the next. Capuchins have expressive faces and a wide range of vocal calls used to coordinate group activities and warn about danger. Their adaptability to different foods and habitats makes them resilient, but they still depend on healthy forests to thrive. Macaques are one of the most adaptable groups of monkeys, found from tropical forests to mountain regions and even in cities. Their social lives are organized into clear hierarchies where rank influences feeding order, mating access, and social support networks. A famous example is the Japanese macaque, which soaks in hot springs during winter to stay warm. Macaques are omnivores with varied diets, fruit, leaves, insects, and sometimes human food in urban areas. Their intelligence and flexible behavior help them exploit new opportunities. But this closeness to people can also create conflict. Macaques communicate with gestures, facial expressions, and calls, and young macaques develop complex social skills through play and interaction. Howler monkeys are famous for their incredibly loud calls, a sound produced by an enlarged throat sac that amplifies low-frequency noises. These vocalizations can carry for miles through dense forest and are used to mark territory and help neighboring groups avoid conflict. Howlers are primarily leaf eaters and have specialized digestion to break down tough plant material, so they often travel less and conserve energy compared to fruit-eating monkeys. They move through the canopy using a prehensile tail to hang and balance, making them superb arboreal specialists. Howler social groups are typically small to medium in size, and like many primates, they depend on forests for food, shelter, and safe places to raise offspring. Spider monkeys are the acrobats of the upper canopy, built for swinging from branch to branch with incredible speed and grace. Their long limbs and a highly flexible prehensile tail act like a fifth limb for grasping branches, allowing them to move through the treetops with ease. Greatly fond of fruit, spider monkeys play a vital role as seed dispersers, helping forests regenerate. They form loose social networks, often splitting into smaller parties during the day to feed and then rejoining at night. Because they rely on large areas of connected forest, spider monkeys are sensitive to habitat loss, making conservation of their canopy homes essential for their survival. Squirrel monkeys are small, energetic primates known for their quick movements and alert faces. Living in large, tightly coordinated social groups, they forage through the lower and middle canopy for insects, fruit, and other small foods. Their tiny size and rapid metabolism mean they move constantly, searching for high-energy meals and coordinating hunts for insect swarms. Squirrel monkeys use high-pitched calls and close body language to stay together while feeding and to alert others about predators or changes in food availability. Their bright, curious appearance and dynamic social life make them a wonderful example of how small primates thrive through cooperation, agility, and keen senses. Tamarins are among the smallest New World monkeys, often weighing less than a kilogram, yet they are full of surprising behaviors. Many tamarin species use claw-like nails to cling to tree trunks and forage through bark and branches for insects, gum, and fruit. They commonly live in family groups where cooperative care is the norm. Both parents and other group members help carry and feed the young, and twin births are frequent in several species. Tamarins display bright coloration and distinct facial features, which help individuals recognize one another. Because they are small and specialized, tamarins can be sensitive to habitat fragmentation, relying on continuous forest patches to find food and raise healthy young.